Table for one, and then I already ordered. Yeah, maybe I'll try here at the Big A. Hi, do you serve pasta?
Pasta?
Yeah.
Yes.
Okay. Can I have table for one, or do I need reservation?
Pasta?
Yeah. I want this one. The order, where will I pay? You will come?
Yeah,
Okay, sure. Thank you. Maybe I'll choose this table. Name of the restaurant
It
is
was
like
at this
Big.
moment that he
No,
knew
it's not Big
he
A.
fucked up.
I thought it's Big A. It's Biga. This one. This is the name. I thought it's Big A. So now here I am. I'm just waiting. I'll check my card or my cash first. Just in case they will not accept the card. I have my cash here. Yeah, I have. I'm safe now. I can eat. Hihi.
Yeah?
Yes. And then the payment later?
Payments?
Yeah. After. Okay, sure. Thank you. I ordered pasta. Now, let's eat. Cheers. I went there to ask for like Parmesan cheese to put on my pasta, and then the man told me that you don't need to go here, just raise your hand if you need some things, and then we'll come to you. So I'm just waiting for the Parmesan cheese, and there. This one is mushroom. Thank you.
You're welcome.
This is the Parmesan cheese. Let's put the Parmesan cheese. Yeah, boy. I love Parmesan cheese. Let's eat again with Parmesan. There's pepper. I'll put dito.